Well, no.
Michael, are you there? Do you
Yeah.
have cinnamon and a teaspoon?
Yeah.
Right, I want you to open the cinnamon and take a teaspoonful and put it into your mouth.
Oh, doesn't that give you like watery eyes or something?
No,
No, that's onions.
no, that's onions.
yeah,
Right,
yeah.
you have to have some. It's fucking fine.
Wait, okay.
You'll love it.
You know when if you ever go to Starbucks and you put cinnamon in your coffee and it tastes really nice, it's like that.
Max, shut up.
Shh.
Michael?
I'm saying. Michael.
I'm gonna cry.
Michael. Michael, come back.
Science.
Did he? What did he? He didn't do it.
Using your channel time.
That shit was wonderful.
Oh my god.
So glad you got recorded.
No way.
Oh my god, he has to come back.
That did not just happen.
Please, I want him to come back.
Coughing up and sneezing. That was amazing. He like ran away.
Oh god.
It was so beautiful.
Oh my god. That
Is he on Facebook still?
I want
no,
him to come back.
He's not on Facebook. That was unbelievable.
Oh god.
I can't believe he actually went to get cinnamon from his cupboard.
It's the way he's like, okay, I gotta be really quiet though.
Like, how has he not heard of the cinnamon challenge?
Oh my god.
No, he probably has, but he forgot.
He's like a puppy.
I cannot fucking believe that. I cannot actually fucking believe it.
I'll play that back later on, but I'm sure you heard him sneezing and spluttering.
You did.
Yes, I heard him.
Wonderful.
I'm definitely keeping all this. Matt's cracking his shit,
way.
laughing at this.
It's so beautiful.
I bet he's just sitting in his bathroom over the toilet crying and saying, "Why has Paul done this to me? I thought he was my friend." It's just comments that were hilarious.
I want him to come back.
Oh man.
Does anyone have his number? Can they text him?
Yeah, I've got his number.
See if he's dying.
Yeah, you should text him or something.
Probably in
Why
my
is it
house.
noisy in your house, Max?
I'm watching South Park in the other room, but because of my fucking Kinect, it's so bloody sensitive. It picks everything up. Probably can hear my balls snapping off my thighs if I jumped up and down.
Let's try it out.
Okay, right, maybe I will. Are you sure? Wait.
Wait, does this mean you're naked?
No, I'm wearing very baggy pants.
I just want the record to show that I now have a sound clip of Benjamin saying, "Does this mean you're naked?"
Oh, there my bit. Okay. I think I got a bit too friend or foe there.
I hope he comes back.
Okay, I found it.
Okay, you can do it.
Right, we are Coven. Coven.
Yeah,
I'll put it on-
we can hear your
wait,
side
guys,
of the
I'll put it on loudspeaker. Shh.
He won't have his phone with him.
Hello? Hey, Michael. Are you okay?
Yeah, I got fucking cinnamon all over my computer.
What? What happened? You coughed? You're supposed to just swallow it.
Michael, come. Can you come back on Teamspeak and try it again?
Have some apple juice. We didn't honestly know it would make you cough up. We know all we heard was just coughing and then you left. Are you okay though? Seriously. Try it again, but drink apple juice instead.
Oh my god.
Tell him to come back on Teamspeak.
Alright. Come back on Teamspeak in a bit. When you're not dying again.
Yes.
Yes, in a bit.
You got cinnamon all over his beard.
Michael. Pour a teaspoon out of it. Just put it in your mouth. Okay.
Oh. Stop making me laugh.
It's a beautiful thing.
Oh,
Okay.
Michael just texted me.
Oh, okay, what does he say? What's he saying?
Alright.
What did he say? What does it say?
I can't read it. It's too fucking funny. Okay, right. Okay.
Just type it out, man. You're never gonna say it.
Sorry, I was quiet. Look, Mum, up in the process of coughing. My monitor's
Just type it out and I'll read it
My
out.
monitor is covered with cinnamon and spit. Oh, my back.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I can't believe he woke up his mum.
I wonder what his fucking mom said when she came out. His face was covered in shit. Probably thought he was having some weird sexual adventure with cinnamon.
Michael, what are you doing with that cinnamon?
I'm sorry.
This is going to be a fucking great episode of on my YouTube channel.
Oh, that was so fucking funny.
It was the best thing ever.
I'm sorry, I just could not keep my shit when I was eating that.
That's like
It would
a
appear that
continuous
way.
20 minutes of just Max pissing himself. I love
Did he
that
sound
guy.
like? Did he sound like he was willing to try it again?
Maybe, I think he was. Not
Let's get-
tonight.
Could we
But I
phone
said-
him again, just to finish this bit?
We get to do it at Callum's
well,
on Thursday.
fine. Okay, right. Well, no, because when I phoned him, I said, "You're supposed to try it with. You should try it with apple juice, because then you won't cough." And he goes, "Oh, okay, but I'm not doing it again tonight."